So guys, late yesterday evening, shortly after I was out here, the rain came down. The rain came down, and boy, I'm telling you, my garden, I can feel how happy they are, like extremely happy. I am going to get these spinaches right here. Hold on, oh, these look like they're going to run, so it's my first time growing this spinach, These look like they're going to run. Like I've never grown these spinaches before. Tell me all about it, guys. Blessings from the garden. Marie, you ladies are growing. Is this the spinach you ladies are growing? Because I saw these, that they were going to seeds. So I was thinking that they don't run. So are these the ones that run or the ones that do? But I think the ones that run, they would have started running already. I don't think this is going to run. These look like these. They are going to turn into seeds. Tell me, because my first time growing these, and I'm actually going to saute these this morning. Of course, I'm going to tell you how it tastes. I'm going to try it for the first time with garlic. My first time eating these spinaches? No, my first time growing them. Yeah, so I've had these, I've never grown them. Alright, so yeah, I'm going to get all that I can, and then I'll leave the rest to what? To go to seeds. Alright, and of course I'm just going to get these sweet peppers or bell peppers that I damaged. I'm actually going to let it stick in the container, Suppose there is a miracle and it just decides, alright, I'm going to root. Alright, so these, I'm going to add some cinnamon powder to those. Let me see what's happening here. So, well, it's just the soil that beat up on those. So you see the little rain that these get last night, late evening into last night, they look bigger than what I showed you yesterday, right? Because the video that I posted this morning was from yesterday evening, so I am going to post this one this evening. Alright, so remember the cabbage right here, so not the cabbage, the pumpkin. Look at the big push that it made from yesterday evening into today, into this morning. Look at this trespasser. I didn't even caught him. Hold on, see him there? Say hello to my vlog. I learned to appreciate cats now, even though it's not my cat. I learned to appreciate them because me and Lizard. Yeah. My Jamaican Backyard Garden, Portmore Edition. This is Gardening with Stacey. Come garden with me now, man. And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam. Welcome and welcome back to another Gardening with Stacey. Thank you all so much for tuning in. I appreciate you all, my new gardening family. Welcome. My faithfulers, thank you all so much for your awesome support. I appreciate you all and God bless you all. Alright, so like I mentioned, this is actually my first time growing these. It's the first time I'm actually going to try this recipe. Garlic spinach. I'm excited that the first time I'm actually getting them fresh from my garden. So if you have had it before, please comment below and tell how it tastes to you, because I'm going to tell you how it tastes. I'm not sure if I'm going to prepare it with you, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to taste it and tell you. I am not sure if these are cut and come again, this particular variety. So comment below and tell me. Wow, this one big and nice. If these are cut and come again, that would be great. But I'm definitely going to get some more if it tastes good. And I'm definitely saving seeds. I love the texture of them. It feels so good. I think I've had it at a restaurant. I don't believe I've ever had it at home per se. Not this variety. So when I go inside, I'm going to check these leaves properly. I love to check for leaf miners. I have not seen any. None has become visible to me since I got here, but I'm still going to check. I love to check if they have leaf miners. And I'm also going to soak them into salt water for about 10 minutes or so. Yeah, for about 10 minutes. And then I'm going to wash them off and do my garlic spinach saute. Alright, so I'm going to actually get the sweet peppers or bell peppers that fell off, that I broke off. So this is my little harvest this morning. Alright, so inside here guys, this is the garlic. So instead of mincing it up or chopping it up, I grated them. This is how I prefer to use my garlic in any cooking that I do. Alright, so that's just my thing. Guys, my son says it doesn't smell good, but I think it smells really good. To me, it does. I am adding a little Maggi seasoning to it. Not a lot. That will do. Alright, so this is just about it. I'm just going to taste it. I won't be on camera, guys. I'm just going to taste it and let you know. So guys, in my opinion, it tastes really good. I like it. I like it. I really do like it. It tastes good. Thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, walk good. Sweet Jamaica, man, I land that. Me no stop love it. Come garden with me now, man. And what a nice place to live. Sweet Jamaica.